Okay, so I just spent 40 bucks on merino wool hiking socks last month, and my feet were still freezing on the trail. Turns out most merino socks are like 30% wool, and the rest is just cheap filler that doesn't do anything. Here's what nobody tells you about women's merino wool hiking socks, though. We tested these DYW socks with 70% actual merino wool, and honestly, they kept our feet warm without that gross, sweaty feeling you get with regular winter socks. 5 pairs for less than what I paid for 1 pair at the outdoor store. The crazy part is they don't get stinky after a full day of hiking, which, if you know, you know. We put them through the washing machine multiple times and they didn't shrink or get all pilled up like cheaper ones do. Over 1,000 people are saying these are softer than expected and actually stay put without sliding down into your boots. That arch support thing actually works too, which I wasn't expecting for budget hiking socks. So here's my question for you. Are you still overpaying for winter socks that barely have any real merino wool in them? Because right now these are available, but honestly the 5-pack deal keeps selling out. Links in our bio at Best Budget Goods, and if this saved you from another pair of disappointing socks, share this with someone who's always complaining about cold feet on hikes. Trust me, they'll thank you later.